2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, power windows, security system, fog lights, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.